but something like this at $2,499,000, you solve the mortgage calculator. That's $15,000 plus a month. I would have to sell over 100 homes to pay for this house. Welcome back to my channel. Today's tour is in Atwater Village. If you're from New York, I was told Atwater Village, Northeast LA is similar to Brooklyn. I don't know why somebody told me that, so I've never been to Brooklyn, New York. So it took me about 15 minutes to come back. And before we go to the open house, I want to show you this store. It's called India Sweets and Spices. It's right here on GlenFeliz Blvd. It's a restaurant, it's a market, and they have a huge selection of incense. And I'll show you in just a moment. So it was like, I think it was the full aisle. Yes, it was the full aisle, because behind me there was more on shelves. So I don't know how many different kinds of incense, but the good thing is if you see an open box, the store will sell you, if you were to buy them separate, it costs more than the box. So whatever amount is in the box, I think there's 14, it's 12 or 14. Anyhow, they have a nice variety of incense, and I wanted to share this with you because I always come here. It's one of my favorite stores to buy incense at. Okay, back to the property tour. So if you were to turn right, that's Glendale Boulevard, Atwater Village. So we're turning left to the open house, just in case you're wondering. So I kind of went around just so you can see the neighborhood. It's a really nice neighborhood. There is GlenFeliz Elementary near the corner. So if we were to go straight, you can see the elementary school. But I want to show you this beautiful property. It's listed by Compass, and it's right here in Atwater Village. Okay, we made it. 3717 GlenFeliz Boulevard, LA, Northeast LA. This is Atwater Village. Let's take a look. Let's go inside. All right, we made it. We're here at the open house. Let's take a tour of the inside and see what you think. This house has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It's 1,885 square feet of living space. The lot size is 4,699 square feet. Listed price is $2,499,000. Again, the address is 3717 GlenFeliz Boulevard, LA 90039. The property sits in between major streets Los Feliz Boulevard and Glendale Boulevard. There is an elementary school nearby, GlenFeliz Elementary, if you have children. I'll leave a description of the property which will include the school information and other solds and active listings that are nearby. This home was built in 1927 and the ADU back here is brand new. It was built last year in 2023. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. This was another property tour brought to you by me, Realtor Victoria Munoz. I'm also a Compass real estate agent. If you're thinking about moving to Northeast LA and you need help selling, buying, listing, renting, anything real estate related, you can always get in touch with me here.